Welcome everybody to In the Kitchen with Chef Amer. So what we're gonna do for you today is a stuffed pork loin with some baby portobello mushrooms, chopped onions, kale, and we're gonna wrap it up with some bacon at the end. So first thing we're about to do is saute the onions and the mushrooms. We have a hot pan going on. We're gonna let it get a little hotter. Add the mushrooms so you can start sauteing them. Add the kale. A little seasoning. And make sure all the ingredients gets real soft so we can manage them. And the chopped onions. So now we're gonna turn this off and we're gonna stuff our meat with. So we're gonna open the pork loin so we can stuff it. So now we're gonna make some incisions and cut the pork loin open. Pretty much as if we're rolling it as we go. So we can open it up. Okay, so we pretty much have it all open right now. See, it's like that. Might want to do some more incisions. Okay, so you want to season a little bit inside, and now we're gonna add the mixture inside of it. Now we've added the mixture inside of it. We're about to roll it and then wrap it with the bacon. So I'm gonna roll it. See? Nice roll. If you want, you wanna hold it down with some skewers. And we're gonna add some more seasoning on the outside. And now we're gonna wrap it up with bacon. So we're gonna finish wrapping it up and then come back. You guys can see the final product. So this is what you get once you wrap the pork loin with the bacon. So again, it's stuffed with mushroom, onions, and kale. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to the pan that we had that's already getting hot, so we can sear it all around and finish it off in the oven. So right now what we're doing, we're making sure that we're gonna sear the bacon and make sure it's crispy on the outside, and then we're gonna finish off the pork loin in the oven. It's at 375 right now. So we're making sure that all sides are nice and golden. So as you can see, it starts to get that nice golden brown color we're looking for. Again, this is another technique to show you guys to seal the juices inside. So we're gonna finish turning it around, and once we're done with that, we're gonna finish it in the oven. Now that it's all brown on all sides, so we're gonna finish it up in the oven for about 15 minutes. And then we're gonna check it to see if it needs to be more. But 15 minutes should do it in the oven. And we'll be back. So meat is out the oven, and we'll let it rest for a little bit before we start cutting it. So what we're about to do is take off the skewers. Now we're about to slice. So now what we're about to do is slice them. And here you go. some pork medallions stuffed with kale, mushroom, and onion wrapped with bacon. Thank you for watching In the Kitchen with Chef Romero. Hopefully see you soon at the next episode.